Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, speed sensitive volume control, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance. Your new ride is just a phone call away.